Standing at the north rim of Capulin Volcano National Monument. Pretty amazing views up here looking over the Raton-Clayton volcanic field. The Capulin Volcano is a perfect specimen of an extinct volcano. It's about 56,000-ish years old is what the geologists say. Depends on your point of view. And we're about 8,100 feet above sea level here. I'm gonna do a little spin with the camera, let you see the volcanic field and the other sites of the volcano. Try to add some more footage here at the end. That's our Philmont crew, 629U 2021. They're photographing some flora. Some very wide open spaces on the volcanic field. Lots of grassland and extinct volcanoes. So that's pretty much it. So I was wrong in the last video. That was actually the south face, south top of the rim of the caldera. So almost to the top of the north, looking to the north. So now looking to the east and the north, that would be Texas, that direction. A little farther to the east, Black Mesa in Oklahoma. And then if you move this direction, you're seeing East Spanish Peak in Colorado. Pretty awesome view from about 8,200, 8,300 feet. So still at the top of the base of Capulin Volcano National Monument. Kind of going right there. About 100 miles away is Philmont, so that's where we're heading. This is down in the caldera, down at the vent. Probably 500 feet down in. Cool. Here's the plugged vent on the volcano. The lava flows